How much data does Google Maps use? Similar to other mobile apps, Google Maps uses a certain amount of data per hour. While using maps to navigate, the consumption will be around 3 to 5 megabytes per hour. In other cases, data usage can be measured per minute or mile, which is around 0.08 megabytes per minute and 0.5 megabytes per mile. Therefore, if you walk around 10 miles per day, you could use approximately 5 megabytes of mobile data. If you walk for 3 hours using Google Maps, you would consume anywhere from 9 to 15 megabytes, depending on the frequency of app use and distance traveled. How to use Google Maps without consuming data. An advantage of Google Maps is that it also allows you to download maps. You can save a whole city map or small parts of it. This feature is available on both Android and iOS devices, but you'll need enough storage space and an internet connection to complete the download. The download size typically ranges from 85 to 190 megabytes. But if the map is bigger, it will take up more storage space. To download a map in advance and use Google Maps without consuming data, follow these steps. Tap your profile picture in Google Maps. Select Offline Maps to choose what you want to download. Once there, tap Choose Your Own Map. Choose a small area to download, or increase the size of the map if you plan to visit a whole city. Then, tap Download. These maps will be stored on the device for up to 1 year, but they can be kept for longer if needed.